All right, let's now get into business news. Over 20,000 bars may not reopen despite the government's go-ahead to reopen bars and restaurants across the country. According to the Bar Owners Association of Kenya, the establishments have run into huge debt and are unable to put up the capital to enable them get back into business. Chebet Birir now reports.
Bar owners can now breathe a sigh of relief after an agonizing 6 months of being out of business since President Uhuru Kenyatta lifted the ban on their operations, albeit with strict regulations.
We came up with an initiative called the Bar Kumi Initiative. This is an initiative where bars countrywide will be grouped in subgroups of at least 10. This must be, or rather they must be in the same locality. The aim of this initiative is to bring accountability and self-regulation amongst the bar owners.
We are going to make sure, us as the owners and you as the patrons, we have to work together. If I tell you don't sit here, please listen to us.
However, some 20,000 bar owners are having a hard time getting back to business after 6 months of closed doors due to the coronavirus pandemic.
For the banks that we have already agreed to offer members loans with low interest rates, we are very, very grateful. To the association members, we have taken our time to get you good financial institutions you can obtain loans from. Please take advantage of those chances. Get your capital and resume business operations.
The inability to reopen is also expected to affect thousands of employees who depend on the establishments. Chebet Birir, KTN News.
Around 700,000